My name is Sari Lindblom. I'm the Rector of the University of Helsinki. Maybe the most curious thing about University of Helsinki is that we are the university which has the most saunas in our premises and research stations.
Hello, my name is Henrik Wegener. I'm the Rector of the University of Copenhagen. The university was established 13 years before Christopher Columbus discovered America in 1479.
I'm Peter Paul Verbeek. I'm the Rector of the University of Amsterdam, one of the oldest universities in the Netherlands, almost 400 years old. I think maybe a fun fact about the University of Amsterdam is that we do not only try to do good science, but also try to contribute to our society. We have 4 big themes that we work on: digitalization, inclusive societies, sustainability, the future of health. So that combination, I think, defines what the University of Amsterdam is.
Okay, so my name is Peter Matheson and I'm the Principal of the University of Edinburgh. And that is the home of artificial intelligence. We were the second university on the planet to teach artificial intelligence, with only Stanford doing it before us. And we're just celebrating our 60th anniversary of teaching of AI.